Educationally, my background is in computational physics. So I'm an adult, non-traditional student. I have prior degrees. I worked for a few years, decided it wasn't fulfilling. I wanted to do something that I liked, and came back to school. I've been a software engineer for a few different companies, a couple of defense contractors. My last job before coming here, I was a video game developer. It just wasn't the right fit for me. I like to work with my hands. I like to build things and fix things and create stuff. And it took me a little while to realize that, and to realize what it was that made me tick. What do I love? What do I love doing? What do I want to do? My goal isn't to get a job. I've had a job. I've had plenty of jobs, but I'm really looking to get kind of the hands-on skills. Every mechie has to take, there's a manufacturing processes lab, and that was fantastic, right? It was hands-on. You get to do a little machining, a little welding, a little casting, really see how these different things are made. I thought that was just a wonderful experience. So I'm looking to do more things like that. I'm really looking forward to taking things like CAD and fluids, and so I can more accurately, or so that I can better model some of the things that I have in mind, and then that'll guide my designs. I want to invent things. Like, I want to take my ideas, and this is why I'm here, is to learn the skills that I need, whether it's statics analysis, or whether it's CAD, or whether it's fluid dynamic analysis, whatever it is, that I want to be able to engineer and design, take my ideas and put them into a design, and then prototype them, and then make them into real things, and then spin up companies or otherwise monetize them. So I'm doing a lot of entrepreneurship things while I'm here. I'm taking some business courses. I do a lot of stuff at the Apex Center. That's really my goal, is to work for myself. I mean, it's unusual for people to come back to school with prior degrees to begin with. Most of the time you get your degree and you start working, and then like life happens, and it's not an opportunity that's afforded to you. I'm very fortunate that my life is such a way that I could quit my job and come back to school, and reinvent myself in that way. The people who come here, I have met some, just in my classes, some of my classmates are already very talented, skilled people in their own right. I mean, I have classmates who 3D print stuff. I have classmates who are machinists. I have classmates who are really good at doing this thing with a car, or doing this thing with SolidWorks, or whatever the case may be. And so I can learn a lot from them. You know, just even outside of class per se. There's a lot of people here who are very talented that I can learn a lot from, and that's one of the big benefits of being at a place like VT.